everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share how I organized my office area. In one of the bedrooms I arranged a space for the office. If you have the organized area for your office work, you get a productive work. The office desk is small. Let's see the organizers I used and the items I kept near my desk area. So let's start. Pegboard wall organizers for your office. This is so useful when your office space is so small, so we can use the wall space. It has two pegboards. We can use it vertically or horizontally. It is so easy to fix it. We can place some books or we can place some pens and some headphones in these containers. So this organizer looks very beautiful for your office space and it is also functional. My office desk I kept only minimal items, that is my laptop and mouse pad along with few important books. I do not keep anything else on this desk. I also kept some decors like this crystal tree and a pyramid and the globe. These are the small things I purchased from the Mexico City when we are visiting. I also kept a small live plant next to my desk area. We spent a lot of time at the office, so by seeing the greenery, you get so much joy and pleasure. I always keep a water bottle next to me at the desk to keep me hydrated. Along with the laptop, I also keep the mouse pad and the notebook next to me so that to write all the things to be done. This desk it has few shelves, so I kept a few other books in this desk. This is the office chair purchased from IKEA. This chair is so comfortable, but only the thing is color. I wanted to have a white one, but this is so comfortable. This is the small stool purchased from IKEA. This is very useful for the leg rest under the desk. It's also important to keep the dustbin next to our table because we use lot of paper that needs to be trashed. Next to my office desk, I kept these three-tier utility cart. This is so useful for any organization. I am using it for to keep all different kinds of planners. These are the books I use it on a daily basis. I kept my medicines also at the bottom area, so it is so visible I can take it. I use different type of planners, weekly planner and a diary and the books. It has also small cup holders. We can hang it different kind of things. So this is so useful item. We can use it in any area. So this is a very useful product and I kept it near the desk. Hope this video is helpful in organizing your area. If you like this video, please click a like and share it with your friends. Please let me know in the comment section about your favorite item here.